this is me going out there and making 10 friends tonight.
So these are two of my new friends that I met tonight. Yeah, has it been fun? Did we have a good time together?
Such a good time. Such a good time.
And her too, but we don't want to interrupt her. So this is my new friend Jessica. Did we have fun tonight, Jessica? A lot of fun. So we're friends. We're gonna be in touch. Cheers. So I'm hanging with my new friend Luke, and of course these two old friends.
The mayor right here of Hunt.
Yeah, this is the mayor. This is like the most popular casino in this place. So these are my new boys right here. All right, we just had some fun. Did we have some fun, guys?
Absolutely.
These dudes are
Great man.
cool.
Great man.
Thank you.
Great fucking guy.
What? Look at that. I love blood. So these are my other new friends. Did we have fun tonight? Did we have fun tonight hanging out?
We did. Lots of them.
Awesome. All right, so I'm hanging out with some more new friends.
And I'm the funny one. I'm the cute one.
Cute one.
Right.
No pressure.
Hello.
Did you guys have fun tonight hanging out? Did we have fun hanging out?
Oh my God, he's my new best friend.
What did you just say?
He makes me so happy. Like, I just met him tonight. He's told me his stories, and just being with him in his presence, it just made me so happy. I've had a wonderful night.
So just got in from a super fun night downtown. I met so many awesome people tonight. I mean, it was just such an amazing feeling. And I'm so grateful that I am this bold person who isn't afraid to walk up to people and connect with them and hear their story and learn about them, because the stories you hear, the people you meet, some of the most interesting, coolest people that you'll ever know are around you at any given time. You just have to be bold enough to go out there and shake their hand. And when you do, amazing things happen. You might have a word of encouragement for them, or say something that uplifts them and, almost changes their life, or just puts them in a better mood. Or they could be that person for you. So you never know until you actually go out there and shake that hand, meet that person. And I'm so grateful for that. And I want everyone to have that type of life experience where they feel confident in doing that, because it's a great feeling. Making friends is not that hard. You just have to be bold enough to go out there and take that first step. And when you do, you'll always be grateful that you did, because you never know the impact of one person on your life, or your impact that you could have on theirs.
Sicker than your average. Sicker than your average. Sicker than your average. If you don't know, now you know.